So I wanted to show you this next proof, just to show you how beneficial it is to have theorems. Like once we prove theorems, establish theorems in our repertoire, then we can actually use them to our advantage, and it just saves us time, and we don't have to kind of reprove things or reinvent the wheel type of thing. So I'm going to show you this proof using our theorem that we just established, 2-2, and then we'll and then I'll show you the proof as if we didn't have that. Okay, so here we're trying to prove that angle 1 is congruent with angle 3. All right, and we're given that angle 2 is supplementary to angle 3. Okay. All right, so when I start this, I'm going to start with the givens. Angle 2 is supplementary, or is a supplementary to angle 3, and the reason is given. Okay, so then now I also see that angle 2 is supplementary to angle 1, right? So angle 2 is supplementary to angle 1, and the reason why is because that's a linear pair, right? So that's the linear pair postulate. So now we can go back to the congruent supplements theorem, theorem 2.2 or 2-2, and we can say, well, if two angles are supplements of the same angle, or congruent angles, then the two angles themselves must be congruent, right? And so coming back here, we see that we have two angles that are supplementary to the same angle, right? So that means these two angles must be congruent. So we can say, we can go straight to angle 1 must be congruent with angle 3, and we can cite theorem 2-2 as our reason, right? We just proved that. Okay, so we made a 3-step proof here using our theorem 2-2, right? Let me show you what it would look like if we didn't use the theorem. So here's the full out proof. If we didn't have the theorem or forgot the theorem or whatever, then a 3-step proof turns into an 8-step proof, right? It's still doable. We could all do that. You could all do that, but definitely using your theorems makes it a lot more efficient, right?